Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome to the channel on YouTube dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about a unique painting found only here in San Miguel de Allende. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, where you can purchase any of the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. A hop, skip, and a jump from the Fabrico Aurora's a chapel to St. Joseph in Colonial Brahe, featuring one of our more notable pieces of local art. The painting features the Holy Family, Mary, St. Joseph, and baby Jesus, being led by a child-aged St. John the Baptist. The painting is displayed throughout the chapel and in many local processions and celebrations. In art, St. John the Baptist is frequently seen visiting Jesus' parents, Mary and Joseph, but it's normally just that, a visit. What makes our painting unique is St. John the Baptist is leading the Holy Family to points unknown. The only other image I found of St. John leading his cousin's family was a 1650 image by Pierre Mignard. Our image is more primitive than the Renaissance masters, featuring several oddities that only add to the appeal. Like, the feet are huge and grossly out of proportion to the rest of the body. The animal carrying Jesus is an odd mix of a lamb's head, a goat's body, and a horse's tail. Mary and Joseph, instead of displaying their customary tenderness and warmth, appear to be anxious. They look not at each other, but around them, anticipating not the potential of a Savior, but a premonition of the trials and tribulations to come. The background landscape features no shadowing or perspective. St. John is heading towards water, where he did his namesake baptisms, but the dam in the background clearly symbolizes the one located today on the border of the pool at the Live Agua Hotel. At first, I thought the dam was the base of a pyramid, showing how Jesus leads the viewer in between the Mesoamerican world and the Spanish one, represented by the hacienda walls. On closer examination, it isn't a pyramid base, but what appears to be the dam, still functioning, protecting the pool from, excess water. I'm not sure what the hacienda walls are referring to specifically. A local art restorer thought it was part of the chapel to St. Joseph. However, being built upon one of the Mesoamerican step pyramids that lace the area, the chapel is easily recognized visually for the terraces leading up to it. In case you were wondering, St. John the Baptist in the art is always featured wearing what appears to be a costume from the set of the Flintstones. He liked the natural lifestyle and was known for his remarkable hair, unlike Jesus in the painting sporting what appears to be a madman-era haircut. More unusual is the young, not elderly Joseph. In his signature green and yellow, he carries the lily, a symbol of Mary normally found alongside him. I've never seen a signature on this painting, which is normal. An indigenous artist was not allowed to sign their work, as that was an act of vanity. The painting appears alongside the aesthetic lines of a retablo. A few years back, I received a collection box with this image on it that was once used by the chapel during St. Joseph's Day's festivities. It started my fascination to an image of a toddler St. John the Baptist leading a baby Jesus and the adult Mary and Joseph to the nearby dam. When my Baptist minister brother named his firstborn for my rabidly Catholic father, John, my dad simply always referred to his namesake grandson as John the Baptist.